Hello dear student, I hope you're doing well and welcome back to the new lesson in mathematics grade 8 chapter 2 section 4, which is dividing algebraic expression. In dividing algebraic expression, before I'm going to explain this one, we need to remember something that we study in property of the power. We already studied in the property of the power. If I have same base in division, let's say if I have m and n, so we're going to subtract the power. I'm going to say m, it's equal to m minus n. So the answer will be like this. So we already studied this one in the property of power. So now, why we remind you this one? Because I want you to understand something. When you have division, you need to subtract the power. Then let's solve a question. Why this one is important? Because for simplifying this kind of question that we have. Now, if you take a look to this question, the first one, it says 12a power 5 all over 4a power 2, which is equal to what? 12 divided by 4, so immediately you can divide it. 12 is divisible by 4, yeah. 12 divided by 4, 3. Then, do I have same base? Yes, which is a. Then we already said if you have same base, we're going to subtract the power. What is the top power? It's 5. What is the below? It's 2. So the answer is equal to 3a power 3. So that's the answer of the first question. Now, what if I have negative? Let's say 32m power 5 all over negative 8m power 3. So what I'm going to do in this case? I'm going to say negative divided by negative, positive. So that means I already know my answer, it will be positive. 32 divided by 8 is 4. Then what I'm going to do to the m? Because it's division, I need to subtract it. So I'm going to say 5 minus 3. So the last answer is 4m power 2. So the answer is equal to 4m power 2. That's how you're going to solve these questions. Now, what if I have another question like negative 30 x power 7 y power 8 z power 6 all over 14 x power 7 y power 7 then z power 3. In this case, what I should do? So first of all, 13 is not divisible by 4 immediately. But we can simplify it because 13 over 40 is not the simplest form. We study simplify in the first topic, in the first chapter and first section, which is simplify rational number, adding and subtracting rational number and rational number. So now both of them are even, so both of them divisible by 2. So 14 divided by 2, it will be 7. 13 divided by 2, it will be negative 15 because we have negative in front of it. So this one will be negative 15 over 7. Then I'm going to write x, y, then z. I'm going to subtract all of them because in division, we're going to subtract the power. 7 minus 7, then 8 minus 7, then 6 minus 3. So the last answer will be negative 15 over 7 x power 0 y power 1 z power 3. We said when the power is 0, do we need to write down? No. So just clean it and remove it. And also you can change this fraction if you want, or you can leave it like that. It's totally fine. 15 over 7 y power 1. Do we need to write 1 on the top? No, because when there is no power, that means the power is 1. Then z power 3. So the last answer of this one is negative 15 over 7 y z power 3. Now we understand that this one, when we have only one number, we divide it, then we simplify. But what if I have 2 or 3 number? What we should do in this one? But only one number in denominator, one term in denominator. So let's see. What if I have, now let's solve this question, which is say 36 n power 7 minus 24 n power 6, then plus 18 n power 5, all divided by 6 n power 5. How I'm going to do that? The first step, do I have minus and plus? So I'm going to write minus plus. I have 3 term in the top, so I'm going to write 3 fraction. In denominator of each fraction, I'm going to rewrite 6n power 5, 6n power 5, 6n power 5. Then in the top, I'm going to write one each of them. Then 36 n power 7. Second one is 24 n power 6. Then 18 n power 5. Then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to simplify. 36 divided by 6 is 6. Then 7 minus 5, then minus 24 divided by 6 is already equal to 4. Then n power 6 minus 5 plus 18 divided by 6 is 3. Then n 5 minus 5. Then the last answer will be 7 minus 5, 2 n power 1, no need to write down. Then 5 minus 5, it will be n power 0. Anything's power 0 equal to 1. So it will be 3 times 1 equal to 3. So no need to write n, only 3 will be the answer. So the last answer is 6n power 2 minus 4n plus 3. So let's solve one more question and this topic will be finished. So the next question that we have, let's see question number multiple choice. It's already here. So let's solve this question. Why not? So this one is 24x power 3 minus 18x power 2 plus 12x, all divided by 6x minus plus, then 3 fraction because I have 3 times. Then we have minus and plus, so I wrote negative and positive. So it will be 24x power 3, 18x power 2, 12x, then 6x, 6x, and 6x in the denominator. So just simplify. 24 divided by 6, it's actually equal to 4. 3 minus 1, 2 minus. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 2 minus 1, 1x. Then plus 12 divided by 6, 2. X power 1 minus x power 1, x power 0. We said anything's power 0 equal to 1, so no need to write down. So the answer will be 4x power 2 minus 3x plus 2. So 4x minus 3x plus 2. So that means C is a correct answer. And that's the adding and subtracting algebraic expression. I hope you enjoyed and I hope it's useful. So see you in the next class.